In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out your Instagram account on all devices. This is crucial for maintaining account security and privacy. It helps prevent unauthorized access, especially if you've logged in on shared, public, or unfamiliar devices. To log out your account on untrusted devices, simply head to your Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines and head to Settings. You will want to select onto this very first option of Account Center. On this page, head to Password and Security. In the section of Security Checks, head to where you're logged in. You will then select your account. Onto this page, you will see devices that once had or currently have access to your Instagram account. To remove any device, scroll and select onto this option of Select Devices to log out. Now mark on devices you want to lose access to your Instagram. Once done, tap on Logout. All selected devices will get logged out of your Instagram account. That's how easy it is to log out untrusted devices from having access to your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.